Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the FaceNet model error or bad marshal data error while loading FaceNet model. So before starting the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I wasted my time to fix this error and I don't want you to waste your precious time. As the new TensorFlow library does not support the old FaceNet.h5 model, do the following steps to avoid the bad marshal error. Please look carefully each step and follow each to get it resolved completely. First, install keras-facenet pip, install keras-facenet and then add this code to your program. From keras_facenet import FaceNet. Then in step 2 we will change the way to load FaceNet model. Comment out the previous model and use this instead. Now in step 3 and the final step, the normalization process is no longer needed. Change predict with embeddings. Also must include detections equals model.extract face_pixels, threshold equals 0.95, else comment the lines which I am doing. Change predict with embeddings. Now final step of running our code. As you see, our code is now running without any error. Our code has been compiled successfully and created embedding for each face using FaceNet. Thanks for watching, hope your problem got solved. If not, you can comment and contact me through the link in description.